Transform your living room with the latest false ceiling design. In the realm of interior design, the ceiling often goes unnoticed, despite being an integral part of any space. However, with the latest false ceiling design trends, you can now elevate your living room's aesthetic appeal to new heights. This article aims to explore the mesmer world of room pop false ceiling interiors and provide you with ideas to revamp your living room. From ceilings to modern end designs, we have you covered. The importance of false ceilings in interior design. False ceilings have become a popular choice in interior renovation projects due to their numerous benefits. They not only conceal unsightly wires and ends but also add a touch of elegance to your living space. Moreover, ceilings provide an opportunity for creative expression, allowing homeowners to experiment with different materials, designs, and options. Latest false ceiling design trends. Gypsum ceilings. Gypsum ceilings gained immense popularity in modern interior design. They offer a sleek and minimalist look, making them perfect for contemporary living rooms. With a variety of textures and patterns available, gypsum ceilings can effortlessly enhance the overall ambience of your space. Pop false ceilings. Plaster of Paris false ceilings have long been favored for their versatility and charm. From intricate designs to unique shapes, pop false ceilings allow you to create a personalized statement in your living room. Whether you opt for a classic or modern design, pop false ceilings are sure to captivate your guests. Creative ceiling ideas. Layered ceilings. Create visual interest by incorporating layered ceilings into your living room. By combining different materials like wood, glass, and gypsum, you can achieve a stunning and dynamic effect. Use suspended lighting fixtures to further enhance the beauty of this design. Cove lighting. Cove lighting is a popular technique that adds a soft, ambient glow to your living space. By installing LED strips along the perimeter of your false ceiling, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This lighting option works well with both gypsum and pop false ceilings. Stylish ceiling decor. Geometric patterns. Geometric patterns are currently in vogue and can instantly transform a plain ceiling into a work of art. Experiment with hexagons, triangles, or chevron patterns to add a contemporary touch to your living room. Incorporate contrasting colors for a visually striking effect. Ceiling murals. For those who appreciate art, a ceiling mural can be a captivating addition to your living room. engage a professional artist to create a customized masterpiece that reflects your personal style. From nature-inspired motifs to abstract designs, the possibilities are endless. The latest false ceiling design trends offer an array of possibilities to revamp your living room's interior. Whether you prefer a minimalistic gypsum ceiling or an elaborate pop false ceiling, the options are limitless. By incorporating creative ideas and stylish decor, you can create a space that exudes elegance and sophistication. So, go ahead and embark on this exciting journey of transforming your living room with a beautiful false ceiling design. When it comes to interior design, one of the most versatile and visually appealing elements is the false ceiling. In recent years, the popularity of false ceilings has soared, with homeowners and designers alike embracing the latest trends and designs. From room pop false ceilings to gypsum ceiling ideas, there are numerous options to choose from to elevate the look of your living room. In this article, we will explore the latest false ceiling design trends and provide you with inspiring ideas to transform your living space. One of the most impactful elements of interior renovation is the false ceiling design. This article explores the latest trends in room pop false ceiling interior, specifically focusing on the living room. With the use of gypsum ceiling, we will delve into various ceiling ideas that can transform your living space into a stunning haven of contemporary design. Modern and stylish false ceiling designs. The latest false ceiling designs are all about embracing a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. By incorporating clean lines and geometric shapes, these designs add a touch of elegance to any living room. From simple rectangular panels to intricate patterns, the possibilities are endless. The versatility of pop false ceiling. Plaster of Paris false ceiling is a popular choice due to its versatility. It allows for endless customization options, making it suitable for a wide range of interior design styles. Whether you prefer a traditional or a more modern look, pop false ceiling can be tailored to your specific preferences. Enhancing the ceiling with gypsum. Gypsum ceiling has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its durability and aesthetic appeal. This material allows for seamless integration of lighting fixtures, creating a mesmerizing ambience in the living room. Furthermore, gypsum ceilings can be molded into various shapes and patterns, enabling homeowners to unleash their creativity. Creative ceiling ideas to inspire you. Indirect lighting. Incorporating hidden LED strips within the false ceiling can create a subtle and soothing lighting effect. This technique not only adds a touch of elegance but also enhances the overall ambience of the living room. Wooden accents. Combining gypsum ceiling with wooden accents can add warmth and texture to the living space. Wooden beams or panels can be integrated into the false ceiling design, creating a captivating visual contrast. Artistic patterns. Experimenting with artistic patterns can truly elevate the false ceiling design. From floral motifs to abstract geometrical shapes, these patterns can make a bold statement and become the focal point of the room. Incorporating the latest false ceiling design trends in your living room can breathe new life into your space. With the use of room pop false ceiling and gypsum, you can create a stylish and modern interior that reflects your unique taste. By exploring various ceiling ideas and incorporating them into your design, you can transform your living room into a haven of contemporary elegance. So why wait? Start exploring the endless possibilities and embark on your journey towards a stunning living room transformation. In conclusion, false ceilings have become an integral part of modern interior design. They not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room but also provide practical benefits such as improved acoustics and lighting options. From room-popped false ceilings to gypsum ceiling designs, there is a wide range of options available to suit various tastes and styles.